So there are a few different challenges facing the Colombian coal industry right now. Physically, I think wet weather's been a big problem for the market. April, May last year, we had a lot of heavy rains. The rainy season, which starts around October, November, has also been a lot wetter than normal, and that started to disrupt a bit of production. That being said, I think most of the producers that we've spoken to haven't really don't feel the need to move their 2025 targets, so that could be on track, but it's something that we do need to watch out for. On top of that, we've seen a lot more protests taking place over the course of the past year, particularly for Sareena mine and along those rail lines. We're used to seeing protests taking place by indigenous locals. We're now seeing an increase in protests from other groups like climate activists, and that is causing a lot of problems in terms of logistics for those markets as well. Biggest challenge, of course, and we talked about this a lot during the conference last year, is the political framework for the Colombian coal industry. Since the Gustavo Petro administration came into power in 2022, there's been a whole lot of policies coming out into the markets, big focus on revenue generation, and the coal industry is meant to be the source of that generation. We've seen a lot of tax reforms coming out into the market. To date, the National Congress has actually pushed back on all of these efforts so far, but the government has been quite relentless in bringing out new policies. So that remains a big challenge for the market. It causes a lot of problems in terms of cash flow, in terms of business continuity, and it really disrupts the investor environment for the industry as well. So this is something that we do need to look out for going forward. There is an election taking place next year as well, so we'll have to see how things pan out and whether that situation changes for the industry then. For this and more, join us in Cartagena for our Coal Conference of the Americas on the 22nd to 24th of April.